This is Landon at Steeple Equipment. Just a quick preview of some new equipment that just came in. It'll be going on the website soon. Got some accumulation and feeder tables, bottle labeler, tablet counter, another accumulation table, extraction system. Got a tablet counter, cap feeder, very nice capsule filler. Got video of that one running as well before it was taken out. Covers are on a separate pallet, but they're here. Nice new heat tunnel. Capsule press or tablet press. Got tooling for that down in the boxes here. Nice little V blender. Vacuum pump. Got an auger filler here that has a scale on it, so it'll fill by weight. So load cell down on the bottom there. Manual and parts in the box. I'll probably sell it separately, but that's the auger that was feeding that before. So that's the hopper base. We got a frame. The rest of the auger is over here. Got a piston filler, deduster, nice air compressor, low hours, an induction sealer, another tablet deduster, an elevator for a scale, some nice, very lightly used warehouse conveyors. The legs for those are over here. Got a powder filler. This is doing 1 kg pouches or boxes before. Little air filtration unit. Capper. There's the covers for the other capsule filler. Have another capsule filler over here. Got a little brother to the one that we just showed. Another Sejong unit in good shape. Another extraction system. And kind of some odds and ends. Nice little bakery mixer. Coder tumbler. Another capsule counter. And an Axon shrink sleever, neckband sleever. So, new equipment coming in lots. Any questions, give us a call, 604-425-2002, or visit us online at steepleequipment.com.